Hello everyone, I Professor Sonone AC from Civil Department. Subject is Structural Design and Drawing second, unit number first and chapter number first is the Introduction of Design Philosophies for RC structure. RC is the reinforced concrete structure. In this subject, we discuss the problems. Problem is the reinforced concrete beam section of size 300 mm by 700 mm. Effective depth is reinforced with 3 bars of 20 mm diameter in tension. The concrete mix and HYSD high yield strength diameter steel reinforcement use are of grades M20 and Fe415 respectively. Find first is the depth of neutral axis, second is the type of reinforced section, third is the moment of resistance, and fourth is the maximum stresses induced in the materials. WSM is recommended. These numerical asked in SPPU May 2012 for 8 marks. Then solution is the first of all the given data. Width is B is equal to 300 mm, depth is equal to 700 mm. To find X moment of resistance and sigma CVC, then for Fe415 sigma ST is equal to the 230 Newton per mm square. This is given data, and the beam is like that. Overall depth D is equal to the 700 mm. Then the 3 of 20 mm diameter. Width is 300 mm. This is the figure. Then the area of steel in tension, area AST is equal to the pi by 4 d square n into the pi by 4 d square. Then n is the 3 into the pi by 4 into d is the 20 square. Then AST is equal to the, calculate these terms, we get 942.5 mm square. This is the AST. Then step number first is the depth of critical neutral axis depth of critical neutral axis is the sigma CBC divided by sigma ST upon m is equal to XC upon D minus XC is the sigma CBC is the 7 divided by sigma ST is the 230 divided by m is the 13.33 is equal to the XC upon 700 minus XC. Then 0. Left hand side 0.406 is equal to the XC upon 700 minus XC. Then cross multiplication 700 minus XC is equal to the XC upon 700 minus XC. We get 700 minus XC is equal to the XC upon 0.406. Therefore 700 is equal to the XC plus 2.464 XC. XC is equal to the 700 divided by 3.465 is equal to the 202 mm. Step 2. Depth of actual neutral axis x, then bx square by 2 is equal to the m ast bracket of d minus x. Then 300 divided by 2 300 divided by 2 into the x square is equal to the 13.33 into 942.5 700 minus x. Then 150 x square is equal to the 8.794 into 10 raised to 6 minus 12,563.53 x. Therefore 150 x square plus 12,563.53 x minus 8.794 into 10 raised to 6 is equal to the 0. Then solving quadratic equation, we get then x is equal to the 203.85. This is the value of x. Then step number 3. Step 3 is the type of beam. Section since xc is greater than xc, the section is over reinforced. The section then step number 4, moment of resistance. Moment of resistance mr c into 2 sigma cbc divided by 2 b into d minus x3 is equal to the 7 by 2 into the 300 into the 203.85 in bracket 700 minus 203.85 divided by 3. Solving equation, we get 135.29 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per mm is equal to the 125.29 kilonewton per meter. Then step number 5, maximum stress induced in materials since the section fails in compression. Sigma CBC max is equal to the 7 Newton per mm square. Corresponding maximum stress in steel sigma CBC divided by sigma ST upon m is equal to the x upon d minus x. Sigma CBC is the 7 divided by sigma ST divided by m. M is the 13.33 is equal to the 203.85 divided by 700 minus 203.85. Then 93.31 upon sigma ST is equal to the 0.41086. Sigma ST max (227.1 Newton per mm square). This is the final answer. Sigma ST maximum is equal to the 227.1 Newton per mm square. Thank you.